Hello, this is Casually Clara, and today we are making cheesy protein popovers. I love these because they are crispy on the outside and light and airy on the inside, kind of like a cross between a cruller donut and a muffin, but very simple and easy to make. Plus, instead of just a carb crash, they give you some healthy fats and protein. Let's get started. Once we have gathered our ingredients, we're going to get ourselves a nice big bowl and combine the flour and the salt, and that is it for our dry ingredients. We just want to give that a big whisk to make sure everything's nicely incorporated before adding our milk and our butter. And do not skip the butter. It gives the popover a nice crispy exterior, which makes all the difference. And as you can see here, I'm really giving this a rigorous whisk. I want to take out any lumps. And if any toddlers are around and insist on stirring this, it is okay because it's very difficult to over-stir at this point. That's going to be a different story when we add the eggs, but now is a great time. These 2 eggs are going to act as the leavener for the entire recipe. So I'm going to whisk them until those bubbles form, until it's nice and fluffy, in other words. And then when I add it to the rest of the batter, I'm going to stir just until it is incorporated. So as soon as those streaks are gone, I stop whisking. And there we go. I'm going to prep the muffin tins by brushing both the sides and the bottom with some melted butter using a pastry brush. I put the very runny batter into a measuring cup with a spout to easily distribute to every muffin tin, and I'm just covering the base before adding some cheese, and then I'm going to add yet another layer of batter to each of these muffin tins before adding the final topping of cheese. And then it's ready to be put into a 450-degree oven for 15 minutes, and without peaking, lower to 350 for another 20. And what you get is the most incredible, wonderful, crispy, pull-apart, cheesy goodness snack or side, perfect for any meal. I hope you give it a try and subscribe for more.